Me? Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, we live.
I was working on I was working on code to go pass off. That's why I wasn't there
Ah, gotcha.
today.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Andrew McLean. Woo! Woo! And I got a lot of stuff done within the last like week. And I'm going to share my screen if I remember how.
Click the
Oh, here it
green
is.
arrow.
Yeah, that's right. I forget.
Yeah.
Um, oh, you know what, dude? It's on my. I'm team viewered on my laptop right now. Let's see if you can see this screen.
All right.
Watching a screen of a screen of it.
Yeah, so we're 3 times screen watching. I don't know if you are seeing what I. It looks like.
Is this screenception right now?
Yeah, we're we're 3 levels deep.
This is 3 levels deep screenception.
All right, all right. Let me show you this.
Let me test
Let's
this.
show you the MVC test, dude. This thing is awesome. Couldn't really tell you too much about it, other than it works. So this little pop-up here, and it says enter the zip code. And so the zip code that I put for it to work is 12345. I didn't really care. And I press
Yeah.
OK, and it pulls up the nearby store, the address, and how much it costs for the milk. It's supposed to be like a milk. You know how much milk is.
Yeah.
So here I'll show you the controllers and the views, because this is for the model view and controller or whatever for the MVCs. So
So how'd you
uh,
make this again?
with freaking beastly powers. So I set this up as kind of like my connection where I stored the information as like private strings and a double for the price, obviously. And then I just kind of put them there so that it'll get called later on. And then I got my controller which kind of talks into all my views, puts my methods together in my class into my main. And this is where I tell if the zip code is input at 12345, then it'll pull the price out, the address and the store name. And then if you don't type in the right zip code, it gives you an error, which I can run. So I'll just be like, and it'll say, sorry, we can't find any prices for that zip code. And then it says database is unreachable because there's nothing to be reached. So there's just a couple different views using JavaX with Swing with a J option pane, and that's kind of what sets up the that little pop-up box. But yeah, that stuff's pretty cool. Yeah, fun stuff, fun stuff. All right, I think I'm good.
Nice.
Oh, but I uploaded all my stuff on that group folder, so if you want to see it, it's all there.
Nice.
Okay.
That was
It's in
good.
your folder.
Yeah, I got a lot of stuff in there now, so you can probably use some stuff.
Okay.
Nice.
Sounds good. All right. I'll try to share something real quick. All right, here we go. Let's see. Where's IntelliJ? There we go. Okay. All right. So I'll just show you what I'm working on. The application control pattern, it was working before, but I gotta fix it. Well, I'll just show you what I have so far. So it's similar to the MVC, I think. Like there's except, well, yeah, it's kind of similar to the MVC. They just kind of seem to use different words or terms like handler, and then there's a controller, and then like the main app, I guess. So right here is the addition handler for the calculator. And this is where I'm having a problem with these question marks. For some reason, even though it doesn't show any errors, it won't compile. Anyway, so that's the addition handler for the addition. It's just, I think it's what it should do. It should just do addition for the calculator. Then there's the control handler. There's a simple like handle it method that I named, and then application controller. Um, yeah, pretty simple is the class. It's a private hash map. And then does a handler request. And then implements the application controller again. And then it'll output a plus. And then also login. And then there's the calculator app. It's kind of like a combination of all those. And this is like a login handler for it as well. So just a quick rundown of that.
Oh, hold on. Go. Where have I seen that before? Well, I mean, go to your calculator app real quick, and then scroll up. Oh, hold on. I think I have it. Oh no, it's on my other laptop that's at work. Gosh dang it. There's I got rid of like the login empty params and the logout no handler. And then I removed those lines of code, and then I added calculator, and then I added login. Like I got rid of the comments, so I made it like an actual. I don't know what you want to actually call that. To be honest, I really don't know what that is, but. And then, dude, I got it to work.
It got to work?
Yeah, the calculator would work, but it kind of freaks out and had some problems, so I haven't really fixed it to that point yet. But if I did like the operator plus, because that's the only operator that's allowed, because that's how the code's written.
Yeah, I agree.
That'll work. And then I got the login to work.
GitHub stuff that you had posted.
Yeah, that's where I've seen it. So I got it to work with the login. The login's just username and password is the password, and then it'll like log you in and say, "Hey, welcome back, username." But then you can't like get into the calculator. It's interesting. But then I can do the calculator but not the login. I can't do both. I don't know. But I think I'm going to use that as my project and just show that I basically have one almost running and then have that move to agree or something later on. So.
Yeah, or we can do that game app thing that Ethan was talking about.
I haven't seen that guy in forever.
Yeah, hopefully he'll be there tomorrow.
Yeah, so, we'll be here probably through the rest of the semester. So.
Yeah, just try to show up as much as you can. I don't always come on Tuesday and Thursday because I'm usually rather just stay at my apartment and work on it versus just working on it in class. Since I don't have a class before it, sometimes I just stay at my apartment. But yeah, anyway.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Cool. What's Corey got to show?
All right, here we go, guys. Things about to get serious.
Woo! Is JUnit? JUnit?
Not yet. I've temporarily given up on getting that. I'm trying to get my IntelliJ because it was weird. IntelliJ just doesn't work naturally when you first start. You have to go import your JDK and your SDK and tell it all this stupid stuff. Whereas Eclipse, you're just like, here, this is it. Okay. And it goes and does it.
Yeah, sounds about right.
So here's where I'm sitting at right now. My little sharing thought.
Hopes of graduating early degree GPA.
Yeah.
Graduating degree GPA. Perfect.
So I'm trying to think what else I could add to the list that I'm just sitting here watching burn in this class.
I think it's doable. I think
Sanity.
I didn't realize how easy it was until.
It's not hard, but me and Java, Lobson ruined it for me.
Lobson ruins all of his classes. Let's be real. He's just there.
Him and the TA at the time.
We're not gonna name names.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm like, you know what? Close enough. You forget you and your stupid JUnit testing. It tells me whether or not I'm right or wrong.
Yeah. What program?
Well, we all know who that is.
Anyways, he shall not be remain until we pass. That was. I got kind of know. I'm like, look, it does this. It doesn't say specifically in here. It's got to do exactly that. You're just, fine, whatever.
Yeah,
I'm
even
not
learning
knows enough to be your friend, so you won't rate me so harshly on the next assignment. Okay, whatever. Not everyone loves and worships Java. So are not in the IT program for Java coding, but
Yeah, I was actually curious to why we learned so much programming despite being in IT. I mean, we use programming, no doubt,
yeah,
but
some people do. But some of us, it's more of the software. We're doing everything. We're doing it GUI based anyways. A lot of stuff that I've talked to people who do like the database and have gone on. All
Yeah.
they did was it was all GUI based programming.
It wasn't like 225 where you're doing all this code.
Yeah, with the 225 TA. When I was there, one of the TAs or tutors,
Yeah.
when he worked for USA, did an internship with the church, and all the times, both times doing database stuff, he said, yeah, it was all GUI based. I never had to hard code it. So I mean,
Yeah.
so it's good to know how to hard code it, but most everything like I said, it's GUI based. So
Yeah, people make GUIs for a reason. It's easier and it's faster. Like, yeah.
and that's the other thing with the companies is ultimately they don't care too much entirely. It's like, all right, do you have at least a basic foundation? And we'll train you to use our programs to code the way we want you to code, anyways.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
So.
Yeah, another kid I talked to one time, he actually told me that they don't look so much at your grades, but like they just want to see that you have a degree and that you're able to like willing to learn and stuff, and just basically be able to be cooperative and like willing to learn that what they want you to learn.
So we'll see how it goes, but that's my little serious
snippet. Did you get it? Did you already say that? Did you say you had an interview with them?
No, I didn't. No one wanted me. Not even Melaleuca. They haven't contacted me. And
wait, well, when do you graduate?
Technically, I'm not gonna graduate. I still have another year and a semester left.
Yeah, that's about what I'm at.
I could graduate next December, but I'm looking to go do the ISU's security MBA program, so I'm trying to knock out a bunch of the business classes before I go.
Yeah, the NITEC program is dope.
NITEC, yeah.
Oh yeah, NITEC, yeah. I've heard about that.
Have you had your internship yet?
Yeah, I've done an internship. I've done one with the church.
So that's what I'm trying to do right now, the internship with the church.
Yeah. So, I've done the internship, just trying to find something. I was hoping to get another one this summer just to give me some more experience.
Do you have any classes in spring?
So no, I'm off track in the spring.
I got a place where you can apply.
What's the job for?
The help desk.
Yeah, you can work at the city with me, dude.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We're gonna be looking to hiring becoming this spring semester, so in like a month, 2 months.
Nice.
And I can probably get you a good word in there. It's help desk stuff, but you start out as help desk, but then you end up doing more projects, and then you end up getting a lot more experience than what you think just a help desk does. I mean, plus it just looks good on your resume anyway, so.
Yeah. So I've got that, and then I've got my little campus gig I do, but yeah, I was hoping to find something else because school ain't cheap.
Nope.
Yeah, it pays. I mean, it's not like super high, but it pays $9 an hour, and you'll get about 30 hours a week if you want.
Nice. Yeah, definitely have to. Let me know when that comes up.
Yeah, I think he's gonna be putting up. He's gonna put it up on. Oh, actually no, never mind, because you already took the class for internship as well, right?
Yeah, I took the class part, even though I haven't finished it yet.
So when he posts it, I'll give you his email because on the Career Navigator it says just to email the resume to him, so I'll just give you his email address.
Yeah.
And then when you graduate next year, dude, GM comes in August and then comes in January. You should work for them.
I've got a buddy that's going down to GM, and he's trying to push me to go down that way. So I figure if I don't get into the Niantic stuff, that's probably the direction I'm gonna head.
That's where I'm going in August. Woo!
To Niantic or where?
No, to GM.
GM.
Oh, you're going to GM?
Yeah, I told you. Remember, I got the offer.
Yeah, I wasn't sure which one he took. The Texas.
The one in Texas as a IT operations engineer.
Okay. Did they tell you what you're gonna be doing or anything?
Kind of like what I'm doing now, but more advanced and a little bit more in depth and more project based. So more or less just making sure everything runs smoothly with the
That's
operations of IT.
So less telephone chat messaging,
We're doing
help
stuff.
desk, and more. Okay, help desk calls you, says, "Hey, we've got this problem. How do you?"
Yeah. Pretty much. Sounds about right.
It's kind of what my internship was not quite help desk, but a step above.
Hey, gotta start somewhere. I've been there for over a year and I freaking love it.
Yeah. Well, I will cut the Hangouts live so I don't have a going long hour video. If anyone is dying to go watch our YouTube videos,